The great thing about yurts is you can use them year round. They're perfect for camping in the summer with your family, but they're also great in the winter on camping trips. You put a stove in it and you stay warm as toast. But anyway, today I'm going to show you how to put a yurt up and give you some tips on the best way to do it. What I like about the yurts the most is they're lightweight and they're portable, and you can easily throw it on the roof of your car. These are the basic parts to a yurt. This particular one here is a 12-foot. We also sell 16s, 20s, 24 if you really want a big one. This is the canvas. This is the roof wheel. Into the roof wheel go the roof supports. Then we have door pieces here, door frame. And we have two sections of wall that concertina out. Now the most important step when setting up a yurt is getting the diameter set correctly and creating a perfect circle. Normally you'd have a ground sheet with the yurt, and that's round, and so you lay that on the ground and you'll get a perfect circle, and then you can set the wall up. But as we're not doing that today, if you don't have a ground sheet, then the easiest way to do it is using a length of string and 2 tent pegs, and then create a circle on the ground. So we've set our perimeter up, and now we're just stretching this out. So we join the two wall pieces together using some simple straps. So this is the door frame. Here's the threshold. Here are the uprights to the door. They just slot straight in there. And then the roof of the door goes on here. Okay, so the wall is set up, the door is in. The most important part now is making sure that the wall is on that perimeter line that we drew, and that the wall is the same height all the way around. You don't want any low spots. Once that's done, you can then start putting out the poles. So this is the roof wheel, and this is going to support all of the roof poles all the way around the yurt. Now if you've got someone helping you doing this, it's pretty easy, but if you're on your own, it gets kind of difficult. Here's a little technique that I use. If you can imagine this as a pie, and you divide it into 3, you're going to have one pole here, one here, and then one behind. This is the simplest way to get it up on your own. You put these 2 poles in, the thirds, in here, and here. And the third one goes in here. Now that your roof wheel's in place, you can go around putting all of the roof bars in. So this is pretty simple. You just put the top of the pole into the roof wheel and then loop the bottom over the wall. And you just do that on every single hole. So just the last thing you do before you put the canvas on, check all the poles are tight, make sure the band is tight. The band keeps all the roof poles tight into the wheel. So just check all the poles and then you're ready for the canvas. So you take the roof canvas, gather it up a little bit, and then you're just going to throw it straight on. 2, 3. Now the easiest way to do this is to grab a roof pole. With someone on the outside and someone on the inside, you just grab the roof pole and just oik it over. And then, when you got that far, the easiest way to do it is to just flip it. And now we'll put the side wall on. So as you can see, you've got a huge amount of space in here, and this is only a 12-foot yurt. But what I like about it the most is you've got plenty of headroom all the way around. So there you have it. As you can see, it's pretty easy to put up, and you've got a great shelter, summer or winter.